Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Guys, I'm in my kitchen remodel today and I've installed a commercial grade faucet made by BZIMAK. This thing is truly amazing. It is a fully commercial grade unit, but I'm putting it in a residential environment. If you have never messed with a commercial grade unit, one of the best things about it is everything is replaceable. If the gaskets wear out where I actually turn the water on and off, I can replace those. If my spout that comes around the side wears out, I can replace that as well. And even my sprayer will unscrew and I can put a brand new one on. Extremely heavy duty. They even have a bracket in the back where it'll attach to the wall so you can't pull it over. Now, one of the things to keep in mind, if you're not putting this in a full commercial kitchen, they are very powerful. When you turn this on, this is just hot without the cold. And I tell you what, let's turn it and kind of get an idea. It has just got a lot of power. So if you get this in the taller version, which it can come way up here, it means that the end of this is going to hang up here. And with that much power, it is going to soak your floor. In a commercial kitchen, they're going to be wider. Even though this sink is a 42-inch long sink, theirs is going to be a little bigger, a little wider. It's made for that. The floors are, you know it's going to get wet in a commercial kitchen. They're used to mopping all the time. You may not want that in a residential setting. All that being said, the reason I'm saying that is be sure you get the 21-inch high unit. So from here to here, it's 21 inches. And if you notice, this hangs down right into the sink, and I can even pull it down just a little and make sure that I don't get everything soaking wet. Now, I have bought quite a few residential units that cost the same as this commercial unit. Matter of fact, some of them even more. But where I live, the water is extremely hard and they clog up. The actual sprayers will clog. The actual faucet itself will clog. And the problem is 99% of those you cannot replace the pieces. You have to replace the whole unit. And I got tired of actually doing that, so I decided to get something that is pretty well bulletproof, and I'm not going to have to worry about it. So guys, if you're looking for a really good, high quality commercial faucet, whether you're in a commercial kitchen, industrial kitchen, or whether you're going to put it in your residential kitchen, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this one. Do yourself a favor. Pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.